सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. Meaning of the sloka. Saraswati, Goddess Saraswati, the Hindu goddess of knowledge, wisdom and learning. Namastubhyam, salutations to you. Varade Kamarupini, one who fulfills desires. Vidyarambham Karishyami, I am beginning my journey of learning. Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada, may I always attain success. Namaste.